Did you realize that iPhone sales reached 1.5 billion devices last year alone? With the iPhone 16 on the horizon, Apple faces a big challenge. How can they keep consumers excited in such a saturated market? Let's go into what people really want to see from the upcoming iPhone. The iPhone 16 is one of the most highly anticipated technological products of the year. With Apple's history of setting trends, the iPhone 16 could be the next game changer. But what exactly do people want from it, and how does it compare to the leaks we've heard about? While Apple's iPhones are widely regarded as the gold standard, many consumers have expressed dissatisfaction with how little key features have evolved over time. The iPhone 15, for example, introduced USB-C but did not provide the major design or performance gains that many had expected. From the lack of an under-display fingerprint sensor to lackluster battery improvements, there's a widening disconnect between consumer expectations and what Apple delivers. So, what do users want from the iPhone 16? Well, it all begins with design. People want a new look, something other than the flat-edge design that has dominated the last several models. We're also hearing a lot of talk about camera changes, specifically a more powerful telephoto lens and improved low-light performance. Then there's battery life. While Apple's upgrades are usually appreciated, users want something that lasts even longer, especially with all of the new tech capabilities. And don't forget about the software. iOS upgrades are essential, but we want more freedom and personalization. What is the most anticipated feature, though? The innovation that could genuinely change the iPhone experience is a periscope zoom lens. This has the potential to transform iPhone photography by allowing for hitherto unknown zoom capabilities. Consider capturing amazing details from far distances without sacrificing quality. If this pans out, the iPhone 16 might set a new bar for smartphone cameras, making it a must-have for both content creators and photographers. What is the most anticipated feature, though? The innovation that could genuinely change the iPhone experience is a periscope zoom lens. This has the potential to transform iPhone photography by allowing for hitherto unknown zoom capabilities. Consider capturing amazing details from far distances without sacrificing quality. If this pans out, the iPhone 16 might set a new bar for smartphone cameras, making it a must-have for both content creators and photographers. To summarize, the iPhone May 16th be the model that changes everything, from a new design and amazing camera enhancements to improved battery life and software. The periscope zoom lens could be the feature that transforms the smartphone camera. Will Apple meet these demands? Only time will tell. What's your opinion? What features would you like to see on the iPhone 16? Share your ideas in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and reviews.